This is Topps Chrome Black 5184. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will go to person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to person in spot. Whoever's on top of the end will win the Angels. Good luck, all. And here we go. Randomizing this list 5 times. Let's do it. 1, 2. What's that doing there? 3, 4, and 5. Winning team is Phillies. Congrats, Phillies. 5 times. Phillies on top. Get rid of the randomizer. Find out who's got the Phillies. Chris Bauer. Congratulations, Bauer. Alrighty, here we go. Let's do this. 5184. Good luck, all. Alrighty. Let's open. Let's go. Psycho. What biggest one I pulled today? Probably the Patrick Williams gold vinyl. I don't imagine there's too much bigger than that. Oh, I don't know how to... Like, this is such an annoying open. Yeah, I can't imagine there's much bigger. 3 left in 5904. Get it full, guys. Oh, I don't even like this. Far out. What a strange product. Here we go. Oh, man. I'm just showing it. On card auto, Mike Trout. That is a big boy. Oh, Lord. Wow. Who has got it? I know exactly who's got it. I'm just going to confirm. The Angels are with Chris Bauer. Unnumbered auto. That is beautiful. He does deserve it. Well deserved. I'm just going to show. Oh, I don't even know what to... Is he in the chat? Here we go. Here we go. Springer, Shohei Ohtani, Spencer Howard for the Phillies. That is nice, number 299. That is a big trout. Braylon Marquez, Ryan Jeffers, and a refractor of Harvey Baez. And yeah, there's no fun way to open this. Nate Pearson for the Toronto Blue Jays. Very nice. Chris Bryant, Lance Lynn, a Xander Bogaerts refractor. Sorry, that would be numbered, wouldn't it? To 109. And Andrew Benintendi for the Kansas City Royals. Where's Bauer? What a dog. Where is he? Carl Lewis, Christian Pache, and a hollow Joey Bart. Vlad Ruiz. A blue, Clark Schmidt, number 275. 25-75. Hello, Hendo. Chris Paddock, Austin Meadows, and a purple Nolan Arenado to 150. And then here come the big encased boys. First up, Jesus Sanchez for the Miami Marlins. A to 25, David Wright for the New York Mets. That's nice as well. And nice, Spencer Howard, rookie for the Phillies to 150. Very nice. Lubub, Nick Madrigal, orange Manny Machado. That is number 225. The oranges are a really, really nice colorway. And Dylan Carlson for the St. Louis Cardinals. Very nice. Trey Mancini, Mike Trout base, a teal Dalton Varsho to 99. And Chris Bubich, 299 for the Kansas City Royals. Kesson Hiura, Juan Soto. Green Crack Dice, Kesson Hiura, number 299. What do you reckon Reds number 2? 1 of 5 for the New York Mets, Jeff McNeil. Yes, big fish. Jeff McNeil, 1 of 5 for the Mets. You having a good... Where are you located, Ryan? Divi Garcia, Sam Huff. Blue, Clayton Kershaw, numbered 57 to 75. And Andrew Vaughn for the Chicago White Sox to 150. Casey Myers. Ryan Mountcastle. Purple, Corey Seager. Jesus, what? And, geez, what an amazing auto. Luis Patino for the Tampa Bay Rays. Is he usually a redemption? And that's why I don't recognize his auto, because that's amazing. Congratulations, Rays. Oh, Jesus. Bentley's a mess. Final one. Here we go. Kettle Marte, Elvis Andrews, and Charlie Blackmon. That is to 109. And Dane Dunning for the Texas Rangers, top scoring black. And that is that for TCB 51584. And here it is, literally the first card I opened up the box to see. Beautiful Trout. Congratulations, Chris Bauer.